In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover files that Norton Internet Security might have deleted. If you've ever experienced the frustration of losing files due to a security alert, don't worry. I'm here to guide you through a step-by-step process to recover them efficiently. First, let's head over to the Norton application. Opening the app is your starting point in this journey to retrieve those lost files. Make sure your Norton Internet Security program is up and running. This is crucial to ensure smooth navigation through the process. Once you are inside the Norton app, your next step is to click on the Security section. This is generally located in the main navigation pane of your Norton interface. This section houses various critical options that manage the safety of your computer, and it's where we'll find the tools needed for our recovery process. Now that you are within the Security section, you should see the option labeled Quarantine. Think of quarantine like a safe holding area for files that Norton believes could be harmful. It essentially isolates files that are considered suspicious, preventing them from causing potential harm to your system. By clicking on Quarantine, you open the list of items that have been temporarily restricted due to security concerns. Here's where you need to be a bit more attentive. Once inside Quarantine, look for the tab or option that mentions Files. This will display the list of files that Norton has automatically moved into quarantine due to perceived threats. Here, you can review the listed items and identify the files that you need to recover. Now, it's time to select the files you want to restore. Make sure you only choose files that you truly recognize as safe and non-threatening to your system. This will help maintain your computer's security, as recovering a genuine threat could pose risks. After selecting the desired files, proceed by following the on-screen prompts to safely restore them to your system. Norton will guide you step by step through the restoration process. Don't rush. Take your time to review each detail during this operation. Finally, remember that maintaining a secure backup system is an excellent way to prevent any future stress around lost files. And there you have it. A straightforward way to recover files deleted by Norton Internet Security. Thank you for following along with this guide. If you have any questions or if this video helped you, feel free to leave a comment below. Remember to subscribe for more helpful tips and information about managing your digital security effectively.